Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is, hindi pa namin naibalik kay Brother Rohel. Yung ano niya, hindi pa talaga kami nakapaglinis, guys. Diyan, banda. And this is from Abbotsford. Ayan, guys. Hinanap ko yung bird namin. Kung nasaan na siya, nasa taas ba yung bird? Saan na kaya yung bird namin? Ay, ano yun? Ay, andyan pala siya, oh. Andyan pala siya, oh. Narinig yata niya ako. Pasok na siya. Labas siya ulit. May plano siyang gawin. What's your plan? Jesus. Jesus, that's her plan. Oh, going in. Going in na? Bye guys, it's going in.